Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. We are back with another video, and today's hair is provided by Curlsqueen Hair. Now in my packaging they sent me a wig brush, a bonnet. They also sent me the information card as well as two 16-inch bundles of their kinky curly hair. And today I will be doing a throwback hairstyle, aka what they're calling the Jayda hairstyle today on my little sister Shari. And I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve this look, leaving no hair out, so it's perfect for easy maintenance using these two bundles of this kinky curly. And I did go ahead and co-wash the hair and blow it out, because right here it looks super short, but after washing and conditioning the hair and putting it in the dryer, I can see the full length. And I'm going to show you guys how I did her look. Now off camera I did go ahead and braid down the back of her hair, and I kind of pre-prepped the front, and like I mentioned, co-wash those bundles, so this is what it looks like before we install it. But at first I went ahead and braided up the front of her hair, doing half off camera and just showing you guys how I created just a few of the braids on the right side of her head. But then we're going to get into the most important part, which will be the actual sewing in the back.
And packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. Port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the men.
And for this style, I also wanted to mention that I did not add any weave. I just simply braided her natural hair back. And this is actually my second time only doing this style, but I do it the first time and the second time I did it with no hair out, and I noticed a lot of people do it differently. Some people leave out and they want curl the hair in, which is cool and everything, but I like to make life easier for people by not having to leave out anything at all. So you can get you a full braided front with the sewing in the back or a quick weave in the back, and you don't have to worry about trying to blend your leave out or anything like that. I try to make things easier for my clients, so I'll be showing you guys the method today on how you can achieve this look without having to leave any hair out, which makes it so much easier for you. And what I love about these Curlsqueen bundles is how full they are. Like, the two bundles gave me a super full curly look for this look, and it was the perfect curl pattern. And for the final look, to really top it off, we did just cut the ends of the curly hair, and we also added a little layers, which you guys will see later on in this video. But like I mentioned, we're adding no weave to the front of her hair, just braiding her natural hair. And then we're gonna put a cap on and then sew the hair to the cap. Now in this video I did use a nude cap, which you guys will see later on, because I ran out of the black caps, and then I also ran out of the black sewing cap net, so I just had to improvise. But it all worked out in the end, so just stay tuned and we're gonna get straight into it. So now that the front is completed, I went ahead and did the braids, left out the baby hairs, which we'll be using, you know, some edge control to do the baby hairs. Y'all know normally I would do the holding spray, but because Shari was already, her hair was thinning out from getting braids, you know, continuously back to back, I was like, I don't want to dry it out even more with more holding spray. So we're just going to leave that out, and we're going to edge control those edges later. And as I mentioned, I did run out of sewing caps, and I also ran out of regular black caps, so I had to improvise with the nude, just so it could be a nice and easy going install without too much tension on her real hair. And you know, you can black spray the cap if you need to before actually sewing all the bundles in, but it ended up working out in my favor anyway. But like I said, we'll be using the 2 bundles for the Curlsqueen, you know, kinky curly hair, and it came out perfect. So right now, all I'm doing is just sewing the bundles left to right like how I normally would for any install. But just when I get to the front, I kind of curve it going upward, sort of diagonal. So when I flip the hair back or I curl it back, you won't see any tracks. So the same way you would kind of do like a versatile sewing, you know how like you get to the end and you flip the track, but you curve it just a little bit so that when you pull it back, it's seamless. You want to do that same method when you're doing this style. So that's why you guys seeing me curving the tracks going towards the front. And then I'm going to flip that in and, you know, fold it back and just continue to sew it. But I'm going to show you guys the key trick to making it super, super seamless.
If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring.
So this is the trick right here to get it super seamless. Now normally y'all see I'm going back and forth in a U shape, but now I'm going to actually take those tracks and I'm going to sew it towards her face like if I was doing like a Chinese bang. So you would see me sewing it falling towards the front of her face, and you want to sew it super, not super tight, but you want to stitch it really good. So if you can make smaller stitching like closer to each other, you want to make sure you sew it down really good to the, you know, the edge of those braids or whatever, because when you flip it back, you want it to be seamless. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew this singly. Normally I double weft everything, but when it came to this front part right here, I did single the track. And once I finish bringing it all the way to close up that, you know, that little U part, I'm gonna go again with another track and sew it directly on top of that, just to make sure that it's stitched down really good and it's still gonna be a nice full and fluffy look. And then I'm going to show you guys what that looked like after sewing those 2 tracks towards the front. And then once I flip it back, how it's seamless, and then I could go in and finish closing up that circle. And now that I'm done sewing that second track, I'm going to flip it back so you guys can see. Very, very seamless. Like, that's all you have to do to get that look where you don't have to leave out any hair. This also beats the crochet method. You don't have to crochet anything. And basically what I went ahead and did was continue to fill up that circle. So now that that circle has got super, super tiny, I'm still going back and forth and just flipping it, flipping it, flipping it. And then once I finish, I will, you know, stitch going straight across just to close up that track area. And then the sewing part will be completed. Then I will go in with some water and some Tresemme mousse just to define the curls really good before we start cutting and adding layers into the curly hair to really give it that nice little, you know, cute and bouncy and like braided and like very cute flirty look. And we just stitched that final track in and we flipped the hair back. And as you can see, this hair is so bomb, so pretty, super full. Okay, you can wear it big and puffy like this, but we are going to define these curls up. So I'm going in with my Misty water bottle and I'm just going to spray, spray, spray and wet that hair up. And I did go in and, you know, black spray the front of that cap just to make sure we don't get any peekables of that new cap. Like I mentioned, I did run out of my black sewing caps and my regular black caps as well, so I had to go in with what I had. But to avoid the you know, that extra step, just use a black sewing net cap, or you can use a black stocking cap, of course, if you're doing a quick weave. And if you are doing a quick weave, it's the same method. You go back and forth, you flip that track towards the front, and you can also just glue it all the way up till you reach the top. So this is after wetting that hair up, and now we're gonna go in with some of that Tresemme mousse. As you can see, the bundles are super full. It is so pretty. Y'all know Curlsqueen never disappoints. It doesn't matter. I've been working with them for so many years, whether it's tape-ins, whether it's clip-ins, whether it was regular bundles, they always come through. So of course, when they gave me this curl pattern, I said, oh yeah, I already know what the style, you know, the trending style that I'm going to do for today. So I went ahead and wet that up, and now we're going in with that Flawless Curls Tresemme mousse, and I'm just going to apply the mousse throughout their hair. And then I'm going to, you know, just take my blow dryer. Couldn't find my diffuser, so I just kind of scrunched it together a little bit and added my blow dryer. And then while the hair is nice and wet and, you know, defined, we're going to cut it and add those layers and then wet it one more time for the finished look. So now I'm just going in and just making those ends nice and even. I tell y'all, this style looks so much better when you cut it shorter and you even out the ends and add some layers and some fluff. So I'm just going all around Shari's head and, you know, just cutting some layers, picking it up, cutting some diagonal layers, just making it even. That way it has more body and more bounce, and it just really, really gives. So just going in and doing the same thing I did on both sides, adding the layers, cutting it even, and just gonna fluff it out some more and wet it up. And then I am gonna go ahead and do you know, her baby hairs or whatever like that. Like I said, I will be using edge control. Normally I use holding spray, but her hair was already thin enough from getting braids back to back, so I didn't want to dry out her, you know, follicles even more. So we just did some little, you know, regular edge control and called it a day. But this hair is so full, even with the layers, it's just super pretty. And I'm just going in and adding some more layers throughout the back of the hair just to give it a nice fluffy, girly, cutesy, you know, bounce and fullness. And I did add a little bit more water, and I just went in with some edge control and just swooped her little edges up. Real simple, real cute. I don't know, Shari exaggerates. She said I braid tight, but honestly, all my clients who I service, they say I don't braid tight at all. So I think Shari's hair was already a little tender because before we did the style, she had literally just took out some front braids with some boho braids in the back. So yeah, the girl's scalp was already a little tender. So I try not to, do too much or whatever. But yeah, just gonna swoop the baby hairs up and show y'all the finished look.
When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my bitch. If you become a shit, I be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the gal, ride the whip, I know fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the gal, ride the whip, I know fit, Oluwa, oh now.
And here is the finished look. Shari looks so cute. It's just a very cute, simple, and girly hairstyle. Shari giving us a little body, a little touch. I had did Shari a quick little natural beat. Y'all know I'm not no makeup artist, so I just do the best I can, child. I just do what I do to myself. But super cute. Make sure you guys check out the link down below. Once again, this is 2 bundles of kinky curly from Curlsqueen hair. And make sure y'all shop below. Description down below. Thank y'all. Bye.